In this cold weather where Mother Nature is looking to clap our cheeks, it's important to make sure we do what we can to keep warm. And nothing keeps you warm like good oven-baked food. So today, we're going to be making barbecue chicken, minus the grill. I'm well aware that the grill provides a much better flavor, but the oven can prove to you guys just how good of a chef I really am. So, to start, we need our bird. And since we are throwing this in the oven, we need a pan. Now we're just going to throw some aluminum foil in it and some water. The aluminum foil is to make sure the aliens don't know what my chicken is thinking. And now it seems we need some seasoning.
Hey, Samson! Let me get some seasoning, man.
Samson's my spice-carrying eagle. He circles the house while carrying numerous spices. I wonder how he feels about me seasoning up this chicken right now. Not happy. Now let's cover this up to hide the evidence from Samson and preheat your oven to 425 degrees and throw those bad boys in there. So now while that cooks, it's time to prepare our side dishes. And what does any chef have for his delectable meal? A rigatoni with goody Yeti cheese. Fresh potatoes from the sands of Ireland. And let's not forget, green beans that are grown in the gardens of people with too much money. But feel free to use whatever sides you want, as you clearly will not be hitting the same level of excellence I have here. Now let's get our pots and pans set up. And now I'm going to jump through time, because I don't feel like waiting. Why am I here? Oh, that's right. I have to make the barbecue sauce for the barbecue chicken. Time travel's tricky that way. To make this barbecue sauce, I'm going to use 2 average barbecue sauces because I don't have Sweet Baby Ray's, and Red's hot sauce because I put that shit on everything. Now let's mix this up and get ready to check on our dead birds. So I need to make sure this chicken's at least 165 degrees through and through. Let me just grab a thermometer and poke that bad boy. Careful where you say that one, kids. Now let's drown this chicken like a pregnant nun who's not allowed to have children, and throw it back in the hell box for 3 minutes. And while that's finishing up, let's finish our sides. Ooh, yeah. You like that ASMR action, don't you? You like how quiet it is, don't you?
You like it when I open the package like that?
Oh my god, look how fresh it is! Look at that, fresh off the cheese wheel. And look how fresh these potatoes are! Are you kidding? Gordon Ramsay wishes he was as good as me. I mean, look at that.
Look at that!
Now you see that? That is a 5-star meal. But sadly, it has nothing on Getty spaghetti.
Here comes a fun part. Some bell pepper, Bulgarian spice. Getty spaghetti.
Damn you, Getty. Bested me yet again.